Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about 6 signs of high blood sugar levels. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Type 2 diabetes is one of the most common glandular diseases in adults. It can be prevented if you diagnose it early and treat it as soon as possible. It is undeniable that familiarity with the symptoms of type 2 diabetes helps us to control this disease. In type 2 diabetes, the pancreas secretes enough insulin to be needed by the body. Still, factors in the body cause insulin to not work, raise blood sugar, and cause diabetes. The symptoms of type 2 diabetes develop gradually if you ignore those symptoms. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you 6 of these symptoms. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 6. Abnormal kidney function. When blood sugar levels are too high, and a person has type 2 diabetes, the kidneys behave differently. The kidneys try to reduce the amount of sugar accumulated by removing blood from the body and inserting blood into the urine. This causes more urine to be produced and more frequent urination. In addition, this reaction increases the risk of urinary tract infections. In fact, this action and reaction are so destructive that it causes people with diabetes to have twice as many urinary tract infections as normal people, both in women and in men. So one of the ways to diagnose type 2 diabetes is to pay attention to the number and frequency of fluid excretion. If you need to go to the bathroom more than in the past, you need to be more alert and watch out for other symptoms. Perhaps the most apparent change for you is at night. Number 5. Excessive thirst. High blood sugar causes a series of effects in the body that eventually cause a feeling of thirst. When blood sugar rises, the amount of urine excreted from the body increases. Frequent urination and increased volume of body fluids cause dehydration. Dehydration also manifests itself in the form of a dry mouth and a feeling of thirst. So, suppose you have been feeling thirsty for a while or have a dry mouth. In that case, you should pay attention to it and be aware of other symptoms of diabetes because excessive thirst and dry mouth may indicate the onset of type 2 diabetes. Number 4. Severe and unexpected weight loss. When you have type 2 diabetes, as mentioned, during a series of actions and reactions, the natural process of energy conversion in the body is disrupted because the cells can no longer receive the necessary glucose and sugar. This can lead to weight loss. In addition, if weight loss increases with urination, you should be more likely to have type 2 diabetes. Losing more calories and energy and losing more fluids, which can lead to dehydration, can eventually lead to weight loss. Number 3. Numbness and pain in the leg. If high blood sugar levels persist for a long time, the nerves in the body's tissues may be damaged. In the meantime, some people may have nerve damage. Do not notice anything at all and do not see any notable symptoms. While some people experience well-defined symptoms such as numbness in the legs, tingling or severe pain. In type 2 diabetes, neuropathy usually starts in the legs and then moves upwards, involving more organs. Most people with neuropathy have had type 2 or prediabetes for more than 25 years. Number 2. Permanent infection. Permanent infection, illness, and other health problems related to women are due to the low percentage of diagnoses of prediabetes and even diabetes itself. Controlling blood sugar is not easy, and as a result, it is very likely to get these diseases. One of the most common symptoms in men and women with diabetes is an infection in the foot. Of course, these problems are usually seen in people who have advanced levels of diabetes. Number 1. Blurred vision. The lens of the eye is one of the organs with a lot of flexibility. The lens of the eye is held in place by muscles. By contracting these muscles, they stretch and thus change the lens's focus. This lens capability allows us to see different distances clearly or actually adjust the eye's focus at different lengths. This condition is more common in type 2 diabetes. In this case, the lens or muscles are not damaged. Only the muscles have to work harder to change the lens's focal length. Blurred vision occurs when there is a rapid change in blood sugar levels. In blurred vision, the eye muscles are unable to adapt to blood sugar levels. As a result, blurred vision should be considered as one of the warning signs of type 2 diabetes. However, it is usually short-lived because the muscles and tissues adapt to the new blood sugar level after a while. As a result, the blur disappears. As diabetes is one of the most dangerous diseases, you should be aware of its signs and symptoms to diagnose it early, so it could be treatable. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.